According to a report in 1 Mile at a Time, the first Ethiopian Airlines Boeing 737-800 was operating a cargo flight. It landed at the wrong airport in Ndola, Zambia on Sunday. The aircraft in question was ETAYL. Ethiopian Airlines cargo flight ET3891 was scheduled to operate from Addis Ababa, Ethiopia to Ndola, Zambia this morning. The flight was operated by an 18-year-old Boeing 737-800 with a registration code ETAYL. According to flight tracking site flightradar24.com, the plane operated a flight from Bole International Airport in Addis Ababa to Simon Nwansa Kapwepwe Airport in Ndola. Instead, the Boeing 737-800 landed at a yet-to-be-finished Copperbelt International Airport. Flight tracking suggests the aircraft was striking on course for a direct approach into Simon Nwansa Kapwepwe, located on the eastern side of Ndola, but around 60 kilometers north of Ndola. The plane veered off in a southwesterly direction, making a beeline for the partly constructed new airport located on the other side of Ndola. Simple Flying has reached out to Ethiopian Airlines to clarify the incident. The airline has not responded before publication. 1 Mile at a Time also reports a second Ethiopian Airlines Boeing nearly repeated the error soon after the first. In this case, the pilot realized the error before landing and conducted a go-around before heading to the right airport.